Part 3, question 1 of 1. Are university students sure to part-time jobs while they are studying? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What is your own opinion? I consider it quite feasible. This great benefits are worth it, not only because personal expectations are met. Greece experience is also generally, since the opportunity is given the general more awarenesses, they belong to the responsibility. The disadvantage there they have is the lack of time is organization. Between is something we can be solved. Thank you.